He actually touched me. That little bitch ass touched me and won't touch me without that fucking badge. Come see me outside, pussy.
Stop making threats, bro. Bro, you good,
it's
bro.
not a threat.
You good, just go.
Pussy.
Bro, if you...
I actually want his name.
What's your name for, bro?
I actually want his name.
What you want his name for?
So I can report him.
What you want to report him? Yo, watch your back.
Go ahead and give him the
What you want his name?
Sorry, sir. Can I get your name?
Go, bro. Bro, I'm gonna let you tell you, bro. If you don't want to get out, you're gonna get trespassed.
No, he actually touched me. He actually touched me.
Yeah, you gotta leave the property. You gotta leave the property.
Two men walk into an airport bar. Both are intoxicated. Both are cut off. Both are told to leave. Minutes later, one walks out free. The other leaves in handcuffs. The difference between them was not the alcohol. It was a single decision, and the law was watching.
How you doing, officer?
How you doing?
So I'm gonna explain the situation to you just like this. So, before we left this establishment, we left here 2 hours ago. The person that was here 2 hours ago was this nice young lady here and this nice gentleman here. We returned to this establishment. We left out the airport like full. We went to the gas station. When we came back, another person, Curly here, she came out and she was like, oh, y'all too? Yeah, y'all done. That's it. It's a wrap. So we tried to figure out what's going on. Okay. Like, what happened?
When you say we, you mean you too?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm like, what happened? She was like, oh no, you guys are cut off. You guys left your bags, this and that. And I tried to explain to her, I tried to explain to the manager that we talked to the person that works here that allowed us to leave our stuff here. That's why our stuff was here. So we came back, sat down, was trying to get a drink. The lady came out. I was like, oh no, you guys, y'all too. That's it. Like, no, no. I'm like, what do we do?
What's up, man?
Just don't like people behind me.
Are you part of this?
Yeah, I'm part of
Have a
it.
seat.
No,
Have a seat.
I don't want people behind me.
Okay, have a seat. Because we're not done. We're still talking. Have a seat. I'm asking you nicely. No, we're going to be friends. All right, we're going to be friends. They're so bad, so I want you to...
I don't.
We don't want this anything that more important.
I don't want people.
I understand. Okay. Well, I do not want anybody to you understand? You understand that?
Why did you throw me down?
I didn't throw you down, I pushed you here.
No, you threw me down.
Why'd
you do that?
I'm telling you to sit down.
Why'd you do that?
Okay? You're going to have a seat. Have a seat,
I'm not
man.
causing any problems.
Have a seat. I asked you 5 times. Have a seat.
Why'd you do that?
Have a seat. Sit down. Sit down.
Of course, I don't know why you guys
Okay,
did
well,
that.
have a seat, just sit down and relax, and that's it. He's telling you to sit down, just sit down, that's it.
It's a lawful order, sir. So I'm asking you.
I'm sorry.
I'm telling you.
I'm sorry.
We don't play around here.
Say what?
We don't play around here. When we tell you to do something, you
I
gotta do
didn't
it.
do anything.
You weren't listening to him. He told you to sit 5 times.
He threw me down.
Yeah, he pushed you up against here because you weren't sitting. You're lucky you're not in jail
He
right
did
now.
not throw you down. You stumbled and you
Look,
fell. He did not throw
no,
you down.
he threw me down. I'm as a lawful
And you almost stumbled into
My
his.
arms are up in the air.
Okay, so relax, just have a seat,
Like
relax.
I'm doing exactly what was being asked, but he threw me down.
Just relax right now,
I am.
okay?
I am.
I do not want to take you to jail. But
I don't
relax.
want to go to jail.
Okay, relax. Listen and relax.
But I'm also not afraid to go to jail.
Okay, then
We ain't afraid to take you either.
we can work with that.
Settle down, man. I literally did whatever this guy asked.
No, you did
No,
not.
you
sir.
did not.
He threw me down.
He didn't.
He didn't throw you down. You stumbled down.
man. You got ID with you?
No. Off. Everybody.
Okay, why are you over here talking to us like that?
I'm not doing anything.
So why are you over here talking to us like that? We're asking you for your
Because
ID.
this guy just threw me down. I'm literally
He told you to do something, you didn't do it.
I'd do anything you guys ask.
Okay, so listen, right now I'm asking you, do you have an ID
Yeah,
with you?
I do.
All right, so
I
do you mind if you can give me your ID, please?
Like, I'm doing anything you
Let me
guys
see,
ask.
let me see your ID, all right?
No, but I'm doing anything you ask.
All right,
Let's see your ID.
let me see your ID.
I'm gonna give you my ID.
All right.
This motherfucker threw me down.
Let me see your ID, sir.
Can I get it from my
Yeah, you can get it.
Listen, sir. You're asking the story. He gave me the chance to finish. Don't cut me off. That's very rude. That's very rude. That's very rude. Listen, I'm not talking about the serving. I'm not talking about the serving.
That's what I'm telling you.
Okay, well, I can't get in trouble if you guys are.
You understand that? That's all you got. Push your hair.
What's the problem?
I don't know about that.
Well, I know because I was talking to you.
I don't know.
What
about
is?
that.
Okay, what time is your flight?
My flight is at 11:05 in the morning.
Oh, in the morning?
Actually, yes, 11:05 in the morning. I actually don't really want to speak to you. I'd rather speak to him because you're an asshole. So please go back over there. Okay.
Okay, so the best
I'll
option.
face you. This dickwad over here can go back over there. So I'm sorry. I give you my ID.
Stop. Don't get in my space. Stop.
No, you were in my space. You were over there.
I'm right here, and I
Go
can
back over
And I
there.
can be right here. What's gonna happen? What's the problem?
I'm not threatening
What's
you.
gonna happen?
I'm not threatening
So
you.
what's gonna happen?
Don't try to.
So what's gonna happen?
Don't try to talk
Tell me
to
what's gonna
threaten me,
happen,
bro.
So get out of my space. I'm right here. I can be
Actually,
here. and
no.
I'm
You just pushed me over here, so you just got in my
You
space.
backed into me.
No, but you just
So
pushed
you tell me what's gonna happen.
So I'm not telling you anything is
Let's
gonna
step over
happen,
here.
bro. Again, so we're gonna walk over here.
Then walk over there
Go
like
mind
you
your fucking business like
over
I
there.
was just doing.
Walk
I'm
over
gonna
there.
talk to the gentleman.
Then walk over there.
Over here.
Then
So
walk
stay
over
the
there.
f- over there.
I can
Don't
be right
come
here
over
if I want.
Don't come over here.
Okay.
Don't come over here. Stay over there. Stay over there. Don't take
You're not gonna tell me what to do.
Listen to me.
You're not
Why
gonna tell me
you
what to do.
stepping forward?
You're not gonna tell me
This
what to
got nothing to
Look
do
this
with
way.
you, bro.
Okay, look this
Step
way.
over there.
Okay.
Let's figure this out. Okay? Moving forward, your flight's at 11 something tomorrow. You can't go through the gate until at least 3 hours prior, which means you can't go.
Which I do know that. I
Okay.
do know that.
So
and
the
that's
only
why
thing
I
they
said I've
want you to
been fine.
do, the only thing they want you to do is just to leave the establishment. You can go anywhere else, go take a nap, go do whatever you want.
I didn't do anything wrong. I've been sitting here calm, cool, and collected. Bro, my mother just died, and I just buried my mother. So this little big ass mother.
All right, hold on, listen. He's got nothing to do with your mom.
No, he got plenty to do with it because he keep walking up on me
Okay,
and
but
telling me
I'm
to
talking about
push
your
off.
mom. It got nothing to do with your mom. He was here.
But
Okay?
either ways, when
So I understand your frustration. All I could do is, but what they told me, they just didn't want you sitting here because they already said you paid, everything was fine. They just wanted you to get out of the bar.
but that wasn't explained. If
No,
you
I
would've
understand.
said-
That's
if-
why I'm asking.
If you would have said that, then I would have had no problems getting up and leaving.
No, I didn't want to tell you that without understanding
not
your
you,
side of the story.
not you,
Okay.
not you, not you.
We're talking about the manager.
I'm talking about them.
Oh, okay. Well, they didn't tell me everything. I didn't talk to them. They just don't want. They said you paid. Everything was fine. They just didn't want you here anymore. So the only thing you got to do is you can go anywhere else and relax and chill. You can, you can do whatever
I'm
you
cool.
want.
We was down to go. We was down to go.
Okay.
We was down to leave. But when the little bullshit ass manager, not the supervisor that called you,
Right.
the manager,
Okay.
when we kept trying to explain this shit to her,
Yeah.
she kept being nasty and getting nasty. And I'm sorry, that's why I could be black, but I don't like black people because they're f***ing ignorant as
Okay.
and she was very ignorant. Not her. The little, if you can find her, the little gold, she got gold hair.
Okay, so
she got blonde gold hair.
So let's
she
talk
was
about
very
this more
ignorant and
out of-
talk
out
to
of
us,
here.
talk to us
Yeah.
a different type of way.
Let's just get your stuff. We can go right out there if you want to. We don't have to go very
Oh,
far.
I don't care. I just don't give a about that little pig ass mother. Bitch ass.
Yes, sir. You called me.
These yours too?
No,
Those
that's
are
not
his.
mine. That's not mine.
Those are these.
Yo, bro, there's no need, bro, to go back and forth. There's really no need,
Unfortunately,
bro.
with this little bitch,
Bro, there's
I
no
do.
need, bro. Just go. Just go, bro.
Actually, put you.
Are these his or not?
Come and see me
Bro,
outside.
these are his or
Are
what?
these your friends?
This is my phone.
Okay, I understand that's
getting
your
my
phone.
stuff, but you're a bitch.
Let's go.
Bitch ass.
Come on, bro. Let's go.
No, you won't do nothing. You got your little whole team up. I tell him.
Bro, come on,
You
bro.
won't do shit.
Listen, bro, stop.
You can push me and touch me for no reason.
Listen, bro.
I ain't even touch that little ass mother.
Listen. Right now, bro, there's no need going back and forth already. Alright, there's no need threats me.
Not with you. Not
I
with you.
understand.
Not with you.
There's no situation between
Not
you
with
and
you,
me
but
with
he
any of us.
touched me.
All right,
He
bro.
actually
Listen,
touched
do me
me.
a favor. There's no
That
point
little
to get to
bitch
that.
ass touch
Come
me
on, bro. Come
and
on,
won't
bro.
touch me without that fucking
Bro.
badge. Come see me outside, pussy.
Stop making threats, bro. Bro, you good,
It's
bro.
not a threat.
You good. Just go.
Pussy.
Bro, if you...
I actually want his
What you got your
name.
name for, bro?
I actually want his name
What you want his name for?
so I can report him.
What you want to report him? Yo, watch your back.
Go ahead and get him.
What you want his name?
Sorry, sir. Can I get your
Let
name?
go, bro. Bro, I'm gonna let you, I told you, bro. If you don't want to get out, you're gonna get trespassed.
No, he actually touched me. He actually touched me.
Yeah, you gotta fight you. You gotta leave the property. You gotta leave the property.
I didn't. Why are you walking up on me?
Bro,
I just want his name.
I'm telling you, dog. This
I
ain't
got his name.
the issue that you want, dog.
Vargos.
If you come back inside, this is subject to arrest. Okay.
Well, I'm not inside.
Okay, you're
so I
outside.
want his name.
You can read, right?
Chevrolet.
You can read. There you go.
Okay.
All right.
You walking up on me like
Yeah, for sure.
I ain't touched
For sure.
nobody.
For sure.
I'm not doing nothing.
For sure.
I'm not doing
I'm telling you, bro.
Again.
Good night. Good night. Yeah.
I think he's good now.
Yeah, but what
it
happened?
would-
Down.
What happened?
He didn't want to sit after being told 5 times.
Okay.
So he got
Yeah,
sacked.
and we have it on
Okay.
camera.
Is that all your
Threw
stuff?
me down.
Is that all yours? Your credit cards and all
I'm
that?
not gonna touch anything.
No, I'm asking if it's
Oh
yours.
boy, threw me down.
Okay, are those yours? Is that your
I'm
stuff?
not touching anything.
Why do we gotta make this hard?
Because you guys are attacking me.
I'm asking if that's your credit
Oh
card on the
boy,
floor.
f***ing attacked me.
Okay, get your stuff and let's go.
I'm not gonna touch a
Get your stuff and let's
gun.
go. Come on. Come on.
Put your hands behind your back now.
I'm not sure what's
All
happening.
right, you have every opportunity.
God, something so simple. Look at his shit.
That's all my stuff on the floor. That's all my stuff on the floor.
That we gave you the opportunity to pick up, right?
I can't touch
All right,
it.
dude, let's go.
Whatever, dude. Whatever, man. Whatever, dude.
Can you pick that
No.
stuff up?
Let's go. Let's go.
Stop resisting.
Keep pushing me.
Stop playing around, bro.
I'm not
playing with you, bro.
I'm not f***ing either.
You over here not playing, bro. You don't
I'm not
listen.
gonna play with you, alright?
We walking,
We're
right?
to the car, or that's
Hey,
it.
man,
We're gonna
you
drag
gonna,
you to
you
the
gonna
car.
eat the ground, bro. I'm telling you.
I'm telling you, I'm
So
not
let's keep
a
f***ing.
problem.
Stop playing, bro.
I'm not a f***ing problem.
Then
But
stop pushing, stop
can I
pulling, and
get
stop
my
yanking.
stuff?
We got your stuff already.
We got
Where
your
is
bags
it?
with you.
If you're
Don't
not
worry about
understanding,
it.
you're
You're
under
going to jail.
arrest.
Let's go.
I know.
Okay.
I don't care.
So we got
we're
your
not,
stuff.
we're not gonna keep
I'm
on
on your
playing.
f***ing team.
Okay, so
You're
let's
not.
keep
I
it walking.
literally am on your f***ing team.
Why? We're not gonna keep on playing. Then.
I
Let's go.
know. Then don't keep.
Let's go. I got it.
Nope. Glasses. It's not important. It's not important.
You guys just jack off these cuffs.
Walk right then.
I'm
Stop
trying to
resisting.
do- I'm
And stop
not
resisting. Stop it.
resisting. I'm not resisting.
Why the playing with you, bro?
I'm not playing with anybody.
I got it cranked over here on this.
Yeah, I know. Please help me out. As a human. As a human. Please let off these fucking cuffs.
We go for the car. Stuck in my foot. This is gonna affect you, heard?
Yeah, I heard.
Need a trespass for me as well?
I'm not, I haven't done
We got
anything.
landslide over here, out here with us.
Guys, I haven't done anything.
It's too late for that, man. You're going to jail.
Yeah, I don't care.
Alright, I'm gonna bring 2 just in case. I'll have them on me.
Hey, don't do all this pulling and yanking again. I'm turning you that way. You're gonna get in the back of that car, and that's it. Get in the car. It's on camera. We have it. He's gonna go with you. It's
All
on
your
camera.
shit, all my shit's on camera.
Yep, everything.
Can
Absolutely.
you guys just loosen up these cuffs, though? Seriously. Like, it's
They are
so
pretty loose,
tight.
but come on, stand up.
They're so tight, man. It's fucking my life up. I'm not gonna cause any problems. I promise.
This is.
I'm not gonna cause any problems.
Can you,
I mean, they're not coming off anyway, so.
I promise. I won't cause any problems.
Where's your buddy? He abandoned you.
He's not my friend. That's the craziest part. I haven't done a goddamn thing.
I've seen you for like 4 hours walking with him, bro.
You have?
Yes. Been like 4 hours walking around with him.
4 hours.
Walking around with him, yep. They're already locked.
And can you grab my money?
Everything is in the bag. Come on, get in the car.
What do you mean back up?
Well, because my shit was
Get in the car. Get in the car and we're going to push you in the car, man. I'm done playing with you.
No, I'm on you guys' team.
Okay, so get in the car.
I'm working on it. Settle down. Jesus, I'm on your guys' team.
Alright.
Got you.
Yep. I'm good.
There is a line in American law that surprises most people who cross it. Cursing at an officer is not a crime. In City of Houston versus Hill, the Supreme Court protected a wide range of insults and challenges aimed at police. But that protection has an edge. A face-to-face invitation to fight or a threat against an officer can lose that protection as fighting words. Florida draws the same line in its own courtrooms. In Cross versus State, its Supreme Court ruled that the disorderly intoxication statute cannot punish speech the Constitution protects. So an arrest built on insults alone would collapse. An arrest built on a threat, a refusal to leave, and a public disturbance stands on far firmer ground. The distinction was never about how offensive the words were. It was about which words the law was ever allowed to touch. When a business asks a patron to leave, the reason barely matters. Florida law lets a bar eject anyone who is intoxicated or disturbing other guests, and officers may enforce that choice immediately. Refusing to go does not create a defence. It turns a guest into a trespasser. When an officer says that no one wants to make an arrest, that sentence is an exit, not a trap. The moment to leave is before the handcuffs, not after. A person who takes that off-ramp keeps a bad night from becoming a criminal record. The one who stays to win the argument usually loses far more than the argument. When anger tempts a person to threaten an officer, the law stops shielding the words. Criticism and profanity stay protected, but a challenge to step outside becomes conduct the state can act on. The safest complaint is the loud one that never turns into a promise of violence. 2 men faced the same night and the same law, and only one of them walked away. The record leaves the rest to the courts.